Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today it's all about the Mi Band 6. To be honest, we revealed the Mi Band 5. It was really kind of great and amazing kind of product from Xiaomi. But today we're going to reveal the Mi Band 6. And it's really kind of amazing because it pumped me out throughout the screen. The screen size right now, it's quite bigger compared to the Mi Band 4. Or Mi Band 5 still. So it's really kind of awesome. For further ado, let's get started. Whoa, nice. So as you can see guys, this is the Mi Band 6, and to be honest, on the box it has really changed. Matter of fact, the material, I really like it because it looks like charcoal and it's glittering. It's really kind of awesome. Keep it up, Xiaomi, throughout your packaging, throughout the Mi Band series. It's really impressive, and I think I cross my fingers this might be the last Mi Band from Xiaomi. I don't know, because it feels like it's enough. It feels like this is enough. Now let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. Here we have it guys. This is the Mi Band 6 and it's really kind of impressive. Let's get started. Here, let me see. Same boxing, just like Mi Band 5 how it is. I like the way they keep the minimalistic boxing, as you can see guys. It's really impressive. Okay, what do we have here? Is it the magnetic charger as normal? Because they usually do that, keeping that kind of magnetic charger. It's really impressive, to be honest. As you can see guys, this is the same magnetic charger from the Mi Band 5. It's just the same. So if you have a Mi Band 5 charger laying around, it can charge the Mi Band 6. Impressive. Paperwork. It's really impressive having this, a lot of book paperwork. Yeah. It's about time to unbox the Mi Band 6. As you can see guys, I'm just so pumped to see that screen, because the screen, they promised it's bigger. And yeah, as you can see guys, this is the 1.5 AMOLED display. It's really full. Just check it out. It's really full. It's really kind of impressive. They just remove everything out. You can see the settings side, you can go there. It's really awesome. The features are there, same gestures, same everything, but there are tons and tons of much upgrade. Let's connect it on our phone and see what's up. Here we have it. We're done pairing. You can see our watch there. That's our watch face, and you can just tap it and it will just do its own thing, and it shows you how you can use the watch, something which is so impressive. And we'll go directly here and try it out. Got it. Charge your band, so that means the battery is low. So let's say got it. Whoa, that's some new kind of UI. I'm impressed. You can see we're having 2% of the battery, so I think we need to charge this kind of bad boy. It's drained out, so it has drained a lot, and I got my USB here with me, so it's time to charge it. So this is how you can charge it. Just snap it, just normal, and you just snap just like that, and you're good to go. So guys, as you can see, this is the brand new menu and the brand new screen. The screen is quite big, and you can see how much it looks like. Really impressive. You see, you can just go anywhere throughout those kind of apps from the Mi Band. You can see how much they are. You can see even the workout history, if you have any kind of history for workout. Breathing, you can see, you can set alarms right now in a great and amazing UI. I love the UI experience, it's dope. And you can see weather right now. You can just synchronize through weather. You can see Arusha and level. You can see UV there, and you can see tomorrow it's going to be raining and thunderstorm, something which is so great. I really like the way they kept the music up. It's really kind of awesome. As you can see, it's really impressive. I didn't allow through the permission on my phone, that's why it says no permission. And you can see guys, the world clock, that's the world clock. Really impressive, and it's really kind of awesome. You can select any kind of place you want. The setting side, really impressive. I like the way it is because it's really kind of big and you can see everything just on the go, something which is so brilliant. So guys, as you can see, let us just go to the workout section and see what's up. You can see we're having the outdoor running, treadmill, walking, cycling, indoor cycling. We're having the rolling, is it rowing machine? Yes, rowing machine, elliptical, swimming pool, yoga, jump rope, freestyle, and we're having more. You can click more. You can see the bunch of many kind of fitness apps, something which is so great. Zumba, street dance, kickboxing, you can name it, something which is so brilliant. There are bunch more kind of workout, and it's really impressive from this kind of Mi Band 6. I really give it a go. Another kind of stuff, it has a water resistance up to 50 meters. Get a 14 days of battery life throughout the Mi Band 6, something which is so great. You can see at the back we're having the same sensors for the heart rate sensor and the blood oxygen for measuring the saturation. That's how they stated it. Another kind of stuff, it's all about the UI. To be honest, the user interface has really changed compared to the Mi Band 5. This Mi Band 6, it's really kind of awesome. It has really changed throughout the UI, I can call it the user interface. It's really kind of awesome. On the Mi Fit app, there are a lot of changes, guys. First of all, there's store right now here, which they managed to keep it there, something which is so great. You have bunch of watch faces, which you can just synchronize them throughout on the go and march throughout your Mi Band 6, something which is so great. You can see bunch of watch faces here. It's really kind of awesome. If you want something like this, you can just synchronize. Another kind of great and amazing stuff, it's all about measuring the blood oxygen. It's having it. You can see here if you want to measure. Let us just try it out and see what's up. So as you can see, it's scored 90% from our blood oxygen, something which it's so, I think it's great, or I don't know. And let's go back here. You can see there are bunch of many kind of features throughout this kind of Mi Band 6, and to be honest, I'm really enjoying it because you can check out your notification if you have them, and you can even check out the breathing, which it was there even from the Mi Band 4. I think the breathing was there. You can check out the events if there is any kind of event, and it's really kind of great thing to be having this kind of screen. To be honest, as you can see, this is how the music player right now looks like. It's really impressive. You can pause your music, you can go to next, and you can even adjust the volume. The only downside, I think, is the volume. It's still smaller. I think if they could just give it a redesign throughout it. I know the screen is so small, to be honest, but I think they could just do a redesign throughout it. It could be much better and much awesome. As you can see, that's the music player, and it's really kind of awesome. I think this will be trying it out as our daily drive and see how much it's gonna pick. I'm really pumped throughout this kind of Mi Band 6. The way they kept the design is really awesome, and it's really impressive. Dope, Xiaomi. That's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing unboxing for the Mi Band 6. It's really kind of awesome band compared to other kind of Mi Bands or bands which are out there, because the Mi Band 6 stands out throughout that kind of display and that kind of blood oxygen and tons of workouts. I can call it thigh activity of workout, something which is really kind of brilliant. And talking about the pricing on this kind of Mi Band 6, to be honest, it's really expensive. It's not like we're used to that kind of price point of Mi Band series. It's really kind of more pricey. So it's not quite like saying it's mid-range on pricing, but it's very high-end throughout pricing, something which surprised me. But throughout this kind of Mi Band, to be honest, if you want to just switch from the Mi Band 5 to Mi Band 6, it's a worth it upgrade, because what you get throughout this kind of Mi Band 6 is the screen. It's bigger, the apps, they're more enhanced, not like the way we're used to, that kind of smaller screen and you know, that kind of stuff. I wish they could just do it, since on the Mi Band 4 it was really kind of great, but through that Mi Band series, it's really kind of awesome, it's really kind of great, and I really enjoy the Mi Band 6. And I'll give you updates on my Instagram account. If you didn't follow me there, just go and follow me. I'll share with you guys my experience throughout the Mi Band 6, if it's really kind of worth it or nope. That's what's up.